Good morning. Welcome back to Almost Outdoors. I'm super tired, but wanted to get up today and try out my little tiny crab pot. I already caught one little crab, but he was just a wee one. It's a beautiful morning out this morning. Couldn't ask for much better than this, honestly. Little breeze going. Awesome. We'll see what we can get into today. I think we're going to go back to the beach again, see what we can catch, and just hang out. I know my golf cart looks pretty cool though right now. It's a sweet looking buggy. Let's check on the crab pot. See if I can do this one-handed without dropping. All right. I got another wee one. Another little wee one. Just let him go. There he goes. Bonjour. Yeah, this thing's pretty neat. Put your little chicken neck in there. When it hits the bottom, the door's open. Pull it, they close. That is one captured crab. So far, it's just little ones. I'm gonna go over here and test out the waters. That sure is a lot of stuff. I mean, she's packed up pretty tight in there. Got a little bit of everything. The cooler's full. Fishing rods down there. All right, it's time to go to the beach. Day number 2. I don't know how much of yesterday I'm gonna put up video-wise that I did, but I might throw a little bit in there. We'll see. Got everything. Just waiting on the kids to come back up here. Are you having fun at the beach?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Jumping waves in the back to play in the pool.
Yeah?
Yes.
What do you got in your hand?
A shisha. I'm gonna pay it for my dada.
Then what am I supposed to do with it?
You can take it to work. And you can take it anywhere you want, Daddy.
Okay.
You can take it anywhere you want. You can also take it to the ball game.
Oh, not the ball game. What if I lose it?
You can keep it in your pocket.
Okay.
Actually, you can wear a hat there, and then you can keep it in your hat. So it doesn't fall out of your pocket.
All right.
But you need to have a button pocket.
A button pocket?
Yeah. That has a button so you can close your pocket so this doesn't fall out.
Mm-hmm.
So if you subscribe to Almost Outdoors,
All right. Are you done?
if you subscribe to Almost Outdoors,
No, we're not done the video yet.
Kidding.
Have fun in the pool.
Have fun in the pool.
See you. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
She likes to talk, so I just let her talk. She was just jabbering on like a monkey in a tray.
She's the one that always sees it. What is it, steak? It might be a fish. Oh, little fish, I don't know. Oh, I caught it. Oh, it's a skate. Go get Daddy's gloves. He didn't fight very hard. Oh, sorry.
I ain't gotta worry about watching my rod. She'll watch.
There's a lot. They're grabbing that. They're grabbing it. They're grabbing it.
Oh, come on, dude.
He's so
There
strong.
you go.
Get it, baby. Grab his tail. Here you go, dude. Good job. Show your mama.
Looks like a goose. Gonna get it.
Good job.
Dad, Dad.
Here, Mom. Hold the rock.
You're not gonna put him back in the water?
No, let's see.
Sadie will do it.
Go with her.
Adeline, hold Uncle Justin's fishing rod.
I'm right here. That's mine. Give me that. Alright, you can.
Don't step on that, Dad.
Hold on.
It's the same one as last time.
Just roll it up a little bit.
We made it back from the beach. Only caught 2 skates, so not that good of a day, but better than yesterday because I didn't catch a darn thing. I think Brian got a horseshoe crab, or yeah. And then we went to the pool for about 30 minutes, and then came back. The girls are getting showers. We're doing smash burger tacos tonight. If you never had the smash burger tacos, go to my TikTok or my YouTube shorts. I think I have kind of a recipe thing on how we did ours. Maybe not a recipe, just hey, watch me do this. That's my recipe stuff. So, almost outdoors fans. Been signing babies' foreheads for the past 2 days. It's terrible. So smash burgers, I gotta get a shower. My feet are burnt on top, which is absolutely excruciating. If you ever had the chance to have your feet burnt on top, every single shoe is uncomfortable. So I might just walk around with bare feet. Not sure what we're gonna get into the rest of the day. Today is actually my birthday, and it only took my wife 4 hours, 3 hours from the time I woke her up for her to actually realize that today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And of course, everybody on Facebook messaging, you know, saying or putting on your wall or timeline, I don't know, happy birthday. I appreciate that. All the people that say happy birthday to me and makes me feel good. So I appreciate everybody. Thank you. Hey, thanks. Not sure when this video is going to come out, but today is my birthday. I'm still. This is the. This is my. What birthday is this? I just recently turned 30. Yeah. Just recently. About 12 years ago. So, yeah. Idiot. All right. Hey. It is smash burger taco time, and my wife already smashed them out and put the tortillas on them, so that makes it a whole lot easier for me. I got a shower, feel good. Got my big whacker, whack, and we're gonna make smash burger tacos, a little bit of mac and cheese, and then we're gonna maybe go get ice cream because hey, today's my birthday, and I want some, I want a milkshake. Tell you what, that right there, that sound is the cat's ass.
Your guys' hands up to me. Me too. Look, it's sun.
Hey, there's no water.
Yeah, no kidding. Is it good? Is it good?
I rainbow sprinkles.
Yeah, you
lot.
do.
Yes.
It's the best place to get ice cream.
Guess where we're at? Ice cream cow.
Ice cream cow. It's called Vanderweens. It's not called an ice cream cow.
Look at the windows.
Yeah, I see it.
The ice
Next
cream
to
cow.
one of my other places, Rusty Jimmy's. I like that place too. Cookies and cream,
Chocolate sprinkles.
chocolate and sprinkles, milkshake. Milkshake.
So good.
All right, we got some crabs. I gotta put them in the.
Oh gosh.
Check them all out. That's the big behemoth right
Oh,
there.
look at all those bubbles. Ooh.
These are actually all legal size. We caught these within about, I'd say, 2 hours, which is actually really good for this place.
Compared
They
to
are all perfectly legal. You got a point
big guy. He's a big guy.
Oh yeah, that's a big one. That's going to be the birthday boy. I'm making claim to that one. We're gonna toss them in the water. I got them in the holder pot.
You're getting too far away. It's dark. I can't see you. There you are.
Tie them up right here. Oh. There they go. They shouldn't float away. Just wrap that around there anyway. It'll be good. They'll be good for a couple days in there, and then we'll eat them probably tomorrow night. If not earlier.
You just said they'll be good for a couple days, but
They
we're
would
gonna
be
eat
for a
them
couple
tomorrow. Oh, okay.
They'd be good for like probably
That's-
2 days in there,
Oh yeah.
but we'll probably eat them tomorrow night.
Yeah.
The folks at home know what I mean. All right, storm's coming. We
Yeah.
gotta get inside.
The crabs are blowing.
Ziploc bag on a bag and put it in the freezer. That's the chicken necks. Yeah,
Okay.
that's nasty. Girl, you nasty.
Excuse you.
Baby pop.